Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you're going to see in the video today is one of my Space Galaxy Gradient Dutch pours. And I like the one that I did in the previous video so much, I decided to do one with the same colors. But I did change up the canvas size. So this one is going to be on a 12 by 12 inch canvas. And I'm loving how this turned out, you guys. I think it's so cool having the spheres in the background and then the Dutch pour over top. Looks really awesome. So as usual, my formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.